In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable email link and phone number in WordPress. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head into the site editor. Navigate to the template or area where you want your contact info to live, like your header, footer, or a dedicated section on your homepage. Once you're in the right place, click into the highlighted block where you want to add the contact details so you can start editing. Type the text you want people to see for your email, such as a short label like email, or your actual email address as the visible text. With that text selected, click the link icon in the toolbar. In the link field, type Mailto, followed by your email address. This tells browsers to open the visitor's email app with your address pre-filled. Before you finish, toggle Open in New tab so the link opens without navigating users away from your site, and then click Apply to confirm. With the email link done, select that same block and open the More Options menu. Choose Duplicate to create a copy that will become your phone link, keeping the styling consistent. Click into the duplicated text and change it to the phone label or number you want to display. Next, click the link field for this duplicate and replace the URL with tel, followed by your phone number. The tel format makes the number tap to call on mobile and click to call on desktop apps. If WordPress offers a suggestion to create page because it detects digits, go ahead and click that suggestion to confirm your entry, then ensure the link field still contains the tel format you typed. The key is that the final link target remains tel, plus your number. When both links look good, click Save in the site editor to store your changes. Finally, click Launch to publish them so your visitors can use the links right away. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use a simple, readable format for the visible phone number, but keep the TL value clean, without spaces or special characters. For example, include your country code and the digits only. For the email link, the Mailto value should be your full address with no spaces. After publishing, test on both desktop and mobile. Click the email link to confirm it opens your mail app, and tap the phone link on a phone to make sure it dials. If anything doesn't behave as expected, return to the editor, reselect the